Hi everyone. In today's video, I am going to share with you an amazing anti-aging skin treatment. We are going to do an anti-aging cleanser and skin scrub at home with natural ingredients. Today, we are going to clean our faces with anti-wrinkle and antioxidant oils. In the next video, we are also going to prepare an anti-aging moisturizer, toner and skin mask with natural oils. Follow my channel for more natural homemade skincare recipes. First, we are going to do a cleanser oil. We are going to need jojoba oil, 1/2 cup, approximately 125 milliliters. With its antibacterial and antioxidant properties, jojoba oil is a great cleanser for our skin. Jojoba oil is so similar to the sebum your body naturally produces. That's why, it does not clog your pores and do not cause acne. It helps to promote collagen, controls sebum production, speeds up healing and moistures the skin. Lavender essential oil, 8 drops. Antioxidant effects of lavender oil helps to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Also, with its anti-inflammatory compounds, lavender oil can help improve tone, evenness and restore the skin's natural luminosity. Tea tree essential oil, 4 drops. Tea tree oil will be effective at removing dirt, pollution and other impurities and unclogging skin pores to prevent breakouts, thanks to its antibacterial, antiseptic and antimicrobial properties. Geranium essential oil, 4 drops. Geranium oil has strong antibacterial, antifungal and anti-inflammatory abilities. It balances sebum production, heals scars, evens skin tone, tightens skin, and also kills bacteria that lead to acne and eczema. Geranium oil naturally tightens the skin, reduce the presence of fine lines and wrinkles, and slows down the effects of aging. Mix all the oils together and wash your face with it. Use a wet cotton cloth to get dirt and grime out from your face. After cleaning, now it is time to scrub the skin. Brown sugar, 1/4 cup, approximately 55 grams. Brown sugar exfoliates dead cells from the outer skin and because of the AHA molecules in the sugar it penetrates deep into the skin and promotes new cell growth by loosening the bonds of skin cells. Coconut oil, 1/4 cup, approximately 60 milliliters. Coconut oil has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effects. It exfoliates, moistures, heals and rejuvenates skin. Vetiver essential oil, 10 drops. Vetiver has healing, antioxidant, and hydrating abilities. It moistures the skin, heals wounds, and reduces scars and stretch marks. Chamomile Roman essential oil, 5 drops. Chamomile Roman essential oil contains high amounts of antioxidants, that fights the negative effects of the environment and free radicals. It reduces wrinkles, uneven skin tone and freckles, lightens the discoloration and reduce the signs of UV damage. Mix all the ingredients well and scrub your face gently. Then rinse with clean water. Consult your healthcare provider if you are pregnant or allergic to any essential oil. Besides cleaning and caring your skin, to reduce skin aging, you should eat a healthy, well-balanced diet, stop smoking, protect your skin from sun, drink more water and less alcohol, exercise every day and apply your skincare products every day. For more homemade skincare receipts and healthy life tips, wait for my next videos. Wish you a healthier life. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe.